other options. So there is 4 options when it come down to the self credit builder. You guys can pay $25 per month, $35 per month, $48 per month, or $150 per month. The biggest difference when it come down to these accounts, yes, the payment, but if you guys choose the $25 or the $35 per month, you guys are going to pay on that for 24 months. So you guys are going to have more reporting for those 2 payments. If you guys choose a $48 per month or $150 per month, you guys are going to pay on it for 12 months. But that is the options when it comes down to the credit builder account. Now, let's go ahead and check out those different options here. So again, these are the options. You got 4 different options: $25, $35, $48, and $150 per month. Now, you guys are going to pay that $25 per month. You guys are going to pay that for 24 months. And then the $35 per month, you're going to pay on that for 24 months again. $48 and $150, you pay on that for 12 months. Now, the fees, you guys are paying a $9 fee on all of these accounts. The amount that you're going to get back is different, and the final cost that you're paying total is also different. I like to pick the $48 per month for 12 months. I just know that this one, they're going to report to the credit bureaus. If I'm having any type of financial problems, it couldn't last too long, or I couldn't get stuck with something, because I'm not paying $150, which is 3 times the amount of the $48 plus more than 3 times the amount. And then I don't have to pay on it for 24 months and then have a problem within that 24 months and have to cancel it, or have it to the point where I have to close that account. So I like to just pick this $48 per month, and then 2, it's less fees. The final cost and fees total is going to be $46. I like that. But those are the